Oh yeah, check this out. This here is Kosho 619. Just want to go over this new kit that just arrived today. Bought it on pre-order. This is the new Kraken 580 from SAB USA. Basically, I'm flying this helicopter because Horizon doesn't make a helicopter this big, and I just wanted to show the awesome packaging job that these guys do. These are the metal parts, basically in transmission and swash plate. They come in this awesome foam packaging. It's really beefy and protects the stuff real nice for its shipment here. The manual is totally awesome. It's basically a color manual. It's got a schematic of how everything goes together, the direction, the part numbers, the bag that you pull the part from. You know, basically this is like tells you bag 4.2, and then the screws and things that come in that bag and the way it all goes together. In this box over here, you'll see the parts that are basically labeled too, and you know, it starts going pretty fast. This is bag 24. You got your Velcro and all your nuts and bolts and the things that go together in special in the special package that coincides with the manual. So as you go through the manual here, basically it'll tell you what type of Loctite to use. Use CA glue, use this and that. Generally I use blue Loctite on everything, but I'm always very impressed with the SAB type manuals. Here you'll see my electronics. I'm going to use the new Spectrum 5070 servos. Take a look at the specifications on the back. These are a new high voltage mini servo. This helicopter calls for minis or an optional large servo. So I'm going to go ahead and give these new minis a try. They are 190 ounces of torque and 8.4 volts they can handle. I'm going to use the new Spectrum carbon fuselage remote receivers along with my Brain 2 fly wireless system. I like the Brain 2s. It gives me the ability to use an external governor, and I really like that. So along with those, I'm going to use a Hobby Wing 130 speed control that is right here. And this bad way is good. This one's good for 12S in case I do change the motor out. But for now, I'm going to be setting up a 6S helicopter. And we've got the X-Nova 4025 1.5Y 1120 kV 8-pole motor that you can get from BK Hobbies and SAB USA. Along with that, I got the program box. I'm basically using this Hobby Wing 130. It's the big cousin to the Avion 100 from Spectrum. So I just felt like 100 amps is probably a little small for this big helicopter. So we're going to go ahead and use the 130 just so that I can use 12S in the future. I was lucky enough to get this motor from my friend, and this X-Nova should be plenty of power for me, so we'll see about that. The kit comes with 570 millimeter SAB blades. These are the new Thunderbolt blades. They're really good flying if you ask me. I'm going to use my IX12 Black Edition radio. Just kind of switching off radios. I use my other white IX12 every day, and this is just going to give me a new feel overall. So overall, I'm really impressed. SAB does a really good job. I really like the colors. The colors match my Horizon shirt real well. And Bert Kammerer is still proud that I fly his products and along with Horizon Hobby. And I think that this is going to be a good one. So I did buy this helicopter. I bought it because it's to me, it's one of the best helicopters that's in existence. And in this bigger class anyway. I do fly the Blade helicopters a lot, as you guys know, and I think they're great. And but as a kit, you know, this is something that you work towards, and to me, I'd consider this Gucci. So anyway, just wanted to show you what's going on here at the Kosho household, and this should be done in a few days. Take it easy. Hope everyone's doing okay with the COVID going around. Talk to you soon. Thanks.